Hello, my dear little kids. Hope you all are fine. Let me ask you a riddle. I have two wings and a tail. I have two legs and a beak. And I can fly. Who am I? Yes, I am a bird. Wow, look, it's a bird. It has two legs, soft feathers, two wings, two eyes, one beak, claws, and a tail. See? Eyes, beak, feathers, wings, legs, claws, tail. Children, do you want to see how bird flies? Birds are of different colors and sizes. They lay eggs. They live in nests. Birds use their beaks to eat food and use their wings to fly. You must have seen birds flying around your house, right? Do you know all of their names? No, right? Okay, don't worry. We will learn the name of some birds. Today, I am introducing you to the amazing world of birds. Crow. This is a crow. It is black in color. We can see crows everywhere. It is an intelligent bird and they can live for a long time. It makes this harsh sound. Eagle. This is an eagle. It can fly very high in the sky. It eats snakes and rabbits. It sounds. Next is kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color. It eats fish. They make holes in the ground and they lay eggs in them. It sounds. Next one is ostrich. This is an ostrich. It has strong legs for running. It is the largest bird. It cannot fly. It's a very heavy bird. It sounds. Owl. This is an owl. It comes out of its nest only at night. It eats rats and small animals. It sounds. Parrot. This is a parrot. It is green in color and has a red beak. They can talk like humans. It eats fruits, nuts, and chili. Their beaks are short and strong. It sounds. Next bird is peacock. This is a peacock. It has colorful feathers. It loves to dance in rain. It is our national bird. It sounds. Next bird is pigeon. This is a pigeon. It is gray, black, and white in color. It loves to eat seeds. It sounds. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. It is small in size. It sounds vulture. This is a vulture. It's a flesh-eating bird. There are different types of vultures. It sounds Next bird is woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. It uses its beak to drill the trees to find insects to eat. It sounds Children, which are the birds you learned today? Crow, eagle, kingfisher, ostrich, owl, parrot, peacock, pigeon, sparrow, vulture and woodpecker. Okay children, see you next time. Bye.